Hello guys, welcome to Megalite YouTube channel, and for this video I go show you 3 very annoying things about this Tecno Spark 8 before you buy am. The Spark 8 na the latest phone for the Spark family after Spark 7, Spark 7P and the Spark Go 2021 edition when Tecno released earlier this year. The link to the review and unboxing videos of all these phones dey for the description section. When Tecno released the Spark 8, e used some features still better pass the Spark 7. I mentioned those features for the Spark 8 review video, but the features of Spark 8 no be exactly wetin we expect. From the packaging box design to the storage capacity of the phone, we get good reason to complain about this phone. I hope say Tecno representatives dey watch this video, because I really wish say dem go improve for the next phone when they go release for this Spark family. Okay, number 1. Wait, not so fast. Before I talk about the number 1, make sure say you don subscribe to this channel, and if you like wetin I dey tell you, hit the like button. If you watch my video and you not subscribe to my channel, mosquito go bite you for night, even if you use mosquito net to sleep. So subscribe now. Okay, number 1, the design of the packaging box and the phone itself. The first thing to consider na the design. The packaging box no make sense. Well, since you no go put the packaging box for inside your pocket and use am waka, make we forget about the packaging box and focus on the phone itself. You don't ever put phone for your pocket and then you can start to feel like say you be oga? Spark 8 no be one of those kind phones when fit give you that kind of feelings. The design of the back of the phone no make sense at all. I wonder why Tecno settled for this dark green color without any other options. Apart from the color, the general design of the back e no worth am at all. So from the design of this Tecno Spark 8, really no be wetin we dey expect. Number 2, the RAM space of the phone. At this time when phone manufacturers dey struggle to release phones when they run on 8GB RAM, Tecno actually surprised us with the Spark 8 when they run on just 2GB RAM with no other variant options. At least Spark 7 gets different variants and even get 4GB RAM variant. I could just assume say Tecno get plan to release other variants for this Spark 8 for the future. But for now, with just 2GB RAM space, the Spark 8 no worth am at all. Come to think of am, the Spark 8 supposed to be an upgraded version of the Spark 7, and we expect say e go better pass the Spark 7. But if you ask now, apart from just those small features when it be say Spark 8 stay better pass Spark 7, when it comes to very important features like the RAM storage capacity, then I go prefer the Spark 7 to the Spark 8. So the storage capacity of the Spark 8 no worth am at all. Number 3, the FM when follow the phone come. Before now, Android phones FM no dey work without earpiece. But recently, most Tecno Android phones don change the rule. With some of these Tecno phones, you fit use FM without the inconvenience of earpiece. When I dey expect say with Spark 8 DTS stereo sound effect, I go enjoy FM with improved audio quality and without earpiece, Tecno just disappoint my dreams. If you really wan listen to FM with the Spark 8, you better carry your earpiece follow body everywhere you go, just like MTN. So far, I don mention 3 things about the Spark 8 when you really need to know before you buy am. If you want know more, subscribe to this channel now and like this video. Feel free to comment below too.